Hello, my name is Dr. Amrita Agrawal, an ICU specialist at Borivali Healthcare. Today, I want to talk about a dangerous complication of diabetes called diabetic ketoacidosis, or also called DKA. DKA occurs when the body does not have enough insulin. Insulin allows sugar to enter the cells for energy. Without insulin, sugar builds up in the blood, but the body cannot use it. So the body starts breaking down fat for energy, which produces acids called ketones. When ketones build up, the body becomes too acidic. This affects how organ functions and can quickly become life-threatening. Patients with DKA often have excessive thirst, frequent urination, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and deep and rapid breathing. Some may have a fruity smell in their breath due to ketones. As the condition worsens, patient may become confused, drowsy, or even unconscious. DKA leads to severe dehydration because the body loses large amount of water through urine. Electrolyte levels become dangerously imbalanced, especially potassium, which can cause serious heart rhythm problems. Because of this risk, many patients with DKA require ICU care. In the ICU, we give insulin continuously through an IV infusion to gradually reduce sugar level and stop ketone production. We give large amount of IV fluid to correct dehydration. Electrolytes are monitored very closely, sometimes every hour, and corrected carefully. Sudden changes in potassium can be dangerous for the heart, so careful monitoring is essential. Decay is often triggered by infections, missed insulin doses, or sometimes it is the first sign of diabetes in a person who didn't know they had it. Early symptoms should never be ignored. With timely ICU treatment, most patients recover completely. Decay is a condition which is 100% treatable, but delay in treatment can lead to brain swelling, organ failure, or even death. I recently lost my grandfather due to this condition because he couldn't reach the hospital on time. So if you or someone with diabetes have persistent vomiting, abdominal pain, fast breathing, confusion, or very high blood sugar levels, seek emergency care immediately. So diabetic ketoacidosis is 100% treatable if treatment is started on time. If this video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe so we can continue bringing you important health information. Thank you.